YouTube, what's up? It's your boy OBDII back with another video. And on my video today, I'm just show y'all, man, I fucked around. Somebody broke into my car, tried to steal the whole Tahoe, busted up my lock. So now I gotta try to figure out how to open my door. Just leaving autos on right now. I bought a pry bar set, and this little long pole to where when I pry the door open, I could you know, hit the lock button with that. But yeah, man, they out here stealing all types of General Motor vehicles, Tahoes and Suburbans, and anything with a 5.3, a 5.7, and a 6.6-liter engine. Out here in Denver, Colorado, it's like at an all-time high right now. So I'm headed back to the house right now. So hopefully I could get this door open and start doing all the work I need to be doing. But once I tap in, get to the house and get to moving, I'm gonna tap back in with y'all, show y'all everything I'm about to be doing. I said, just bought a little pry bar set. These motherfuckers be out here hating, boy. But it's cool though, can't never hold a real one down. So I'm gonna bounce back. It'll be fixed by the end of the day. I just drove past another Tahoe where these dudes, they be pushing the locks back. Where you put your key in, they'll push it back, and somehow, some way, they're able to get in there without triggering the alarms and all that good stuff. But oh yeah, though, we gonna be back in action today, man. Tap back in once I get to the pad. Gone. Back at the house. So I got this pry bar and this pole. And the goal is just to pry it open and try to hit, can't see it, but try to get this pole right here to hit the lock button. So once I tap in and get that in, I'll show y'all what's next. So finally got the door open. What I used was this pick. Came through the window, latched onto the door, was able to pull that back. $2 tool right here, bought from Hanger Tool. It's a little reflector light, but $2 from AutoZone. Pried the door open with this pry bars. So now what I had to do was, like I said, man, he tried to steal my truck. So you see everything and whatnot. So yeah, I just had to remove this lock cylinder and whatnot. Here's the old one. I had to bust it up. Had to bang my key in there. But yeah, that's the old one. So now what I'm about to do, probably go head to the parts store and get another lock cylinder. And hopefully I should be back in action today. Hopefully nothing else slows me up. But yeah, OBDII. Be back when I head to AutoZone, go get the part, and I'll tap in with y'all in a minute. Fuck that. Got the new one right here. Got Rob J right there with me. But yeah, about to slide this mug in there, put everything back together, and hopefully it crank up. Tap back in a minute. So got it all.
That's my next step for
keys in there.
Once I'm finished helping him.
Just got to, you know, put all this back together. But for the most part, I'm up and back and running. OBDII signing off. Tap in. Got that mug back. Back in action. Theft is high on these trucks. So what I would do, if you feel like your shit might get stolen, pull your relay fuse out. Pull it out. OBDII signing off. Gone.
Get a club.
In the club.